your playgroup teacher. Okay, today we will learn about phonics. It's letter sound O. It's letter sound O. This is the story of letter sound O. A goat is very angry. The birds and squirrels in the oak tree are stealing his oats. He bats the oak tree hard and crash. The tree falls on the goat. Some passing children see what happened and say, "Oh!" They run to the farmer who frees the goat. Okay, Rainbow Kids, this is how you say this letter sound. It's letter sound O. It's letter sound O. This is letter sound O, and this one how you write letter sound O. Letter sound O, and how you write letter sound O. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now I will show you the action of letter sound O. Okay, you put your hands over your mouth like this and pretend that something goes wrong. And say O. Can you do it again? O. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now I will show you the things that have letter sound O. Okay, first we have oats, and then oak, goat, and boat. Oats, oak, goat, and boat. Now let's listen to the song of letter sound O. Let's go, music.
Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 oh. Did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree?
Okay, one more time.
Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 oh. Did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree?
Good job, Rainbow Kids. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now let's redo this worksheet. You can see this is a picture of goat. Goat have letter sound O. The word goat have letter sound O. Okay, this is how you write letter sound O. First, we make a circle, and then for the next letter, we make a half circle and a line. Can you do that? Let's redo it together. Circle for the first letter, and for the second letter, let's we make curved line and a straight line. Circle, curved line, straight line. Okay, the last one. Yeah, now you can try to make it by yourself, or if you need some help, you can ask your mom or your dad, okay? Okay, we finished. Okay, Rainbow Kids, that's all about letter sound O. Let's meet again in my next video. Bye-bye!